Okay, so for our basic French toast batter, the first thing we're going to use is eggs, followed by vanilla extract, half and half, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, thick cut bread like a Texas toast, butter, and then optional powdered sugar and syrup of your choice. Okay, so that's the ingredients for the basic French toast. For a list of all the ingredients, check out the description below. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. And I'm going to whisk this a little bit. Get it a little bit mixed. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 cup of half and half, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to go a 1/4 teaspoon of each ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Very simple. All right, once that's fully incorporated, we're gonna get the pan heated up. We're gonna dip the French toast lightly, and then we're gonna start cooking in our griddle. Okay, so I got my little griddle here. It holds about 4 pieces of toast. I have it over a medium to low flame, and I'm letting that get hot. And then while that's heating, I'm gonna get a little bit of butter, and I'm actually gonna butter my pan. If you wanted to, you could use just regular vegetable oil spray, but butter tastes better. Why would you miss this opportunity? I'm gonna start dipping my French toast. And this toast it's fresh. So you don't want to let that sit in there for too long because it's going to sog out. If this were like day old or purposely dried out toast, I would say, yeah, let it soak for a few minutes, but that is not the case. And it is soaking all the way through, but as you can see, like I'm not letting it sit in there. It's dip, dip, drop. Let's go 2 pieces of French toast per person. And it's gonna take about, let's time it, say 3 minutes per side. Okay, so over a medium-low flame, I've been going for about 3 minutes. And we're gonna turn this over. Oh, you are gorgeous. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, hello. Okay, let that go another 3 minutes on this side, and then we will be ready to eat our basic French toast. Okay, now that it's cooked on both sides, we're gonna plate this up. We could either just leave it whole, or we could do like we do at the restaurant, and we just cut them into little triangles, and we put it on the plate this way. And then for just your plain French toast, you get a little syrup. I find that French toast eaters are often dippers, so we just leave that on the side for them to do as they please. And then a little powdered sugar. Et voila, done.